welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my go-to summer makeup look. Believe it or not, it is with the dark lips. I know, I feel like a lot of people are like, dark lips only for fall, and I'm like, well, you can kiss my ass because I really like dark lips. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Nicolette. I make weekly videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and give the video a big thumbs up if you like what you see. As always, my social media links are always down below for you guys. Be sure to check it out, give me a follow, let's be friends. It may look like this look took a long time, but it definitely didn't. Literally, it's so quick, it's so easy, especially since we don't have any eyeliner on. I think you guys are really gonna like it. And the best thing about this look is that all the products I used are drugstore products. Everything will be linked down below for you guys, so check out the description box. If you guys want to see how I get my go-to summer makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so we're just gonna hop right on in. First, I'm gonna be priming my face. I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business. This is the white one. Normally I use the purple one and the green primer, but today I'm actually going to be using the white one, which is just a skin smoothing primer. You guys have seen this guy a lot lately, and it's mainly just because I love using it. It's the CoverGirl Vitalist Go Glow Lotion. This is the lighter one. What is it? This is in Daybreak. This is the darker one, which is Sun Kissed. I really love it because I think it does a really good job at like illuminating my skin. So it literally does what it says it's supposed to do. So normally I would use a brush, but I actually really like applying it with my fingers. Okay, I turned off my AC. Ooh, it's actually kind of really quiet in here, but the sound should be okay. In my last, like I think 2 to 3 videos, you can actually hear my AC. I tried to play music just to try to cut it out, but it definitely did not work. But right now we're okay because it is so cold in this room. It's so cold in this room. I don't even know why I'm wearing an off-the-shoulder shirt. Like, I'm freezing right now. So now I'm actually going to color correct using the CoverGirl color correcting palette. So I'm just going to take the green, I'm just going to come right over the red areas, and then I'm going to take the yellow and actually go right under my under eyes. I also just want to say thank you guys so much for all of the love on my last vlog. If you guys have not seen that, I will link it down below or post it here in the cards for you guys. But long story short, we are expecting baby number 3, and let me tell you guys, like I said in that vlog, this pregnancy is already so different. I am so tired all the time, you guys. It actually really sucks. All right, for foundation, I'm gonna be taking the CoverGirl True Blend Foundation. Seriously, you guys, I'm so obsessed with it. Literally, I'm so obsessed with it. Normally, I would wear T20, which is in Soft Honey, but today I'm actually gonna be taking T30. I might mix in a little bit of T40 in there, but I'm just gonna mix it too just because I am really tan right now compared to what I normally am. So for concealer, I am gonna be using the CoverGirl concealer. Like I said, you guys, a lot of these products are what I used in a few videos back just because I have really been loving them, especially for the summertime. But I'm just gonna come up on the sides of my nose, down on my chin just a little bit, around my mouth, and then down the center of my nose. I'm gonna go in with the second color and just kind of come right under that. Some people might be like, wow, that's a lot of concealer, but this is just what works for me. You guys do what works for you. All right, I'm gonna quickly cream contour with literally the same guy I have been using forever and ever now. This is the NYX Wonder Stick. I seriously love this stick. I highly recommend it. I just think it's great. Oh my gosh, I needed some color back in my life. I'm gonna blend all that out really quickly. This is my favorite nose contouring brush. It's the Morphe E36. Blend that guy out and take it into my eyebrow. All right, so now I'm gonna come in and set everything with my CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder in Buff Beige. All right, now I'm actually gonna go with the Maybelline Fit Me. You guys guessed it. And I'm just going to tap that into the lid. I think it's easier using it from the lid versus the actual like container that it comes in. I'm gonna take a beauty sponge and I'm actually gonna bake right under my eyes, but I'm also gonna make sure I take it right on the side of my nose. This is gonna help with that contouring, and it's gonna help slim your nose down. I am gonna tap a little bit more, just a little bit. I'm gonna take that right under my contour. Now I'm gonna be taking the e.l.f. contour palette. I forget exactly what shade it is because I believe that there's 2, and on the back it just says bronzer palette. But I'm gonna be mixing this shade and this guy right here. I'm gonna be mixing these 2, and I'm just gonna bronze my face, contour, whatever. Taking the same brush I used to blend out my contour, I'm gonna take the powder contour and rub that right on top, blend that right on top of where I applied the cream contour. Again, taking it up into my eyebrows. I'm gonna take my Morphe M438 and wipe away the bake that's right under my eyes. Make sure it's set on top. Blush, I'm actually gonna take the e.l.f. Total Face Palette. I'm gonna be picking up this guy right here. Normally I'm not that big of a blush fan. Like I could totally go without it if I wanted to, but lately, especially during the summer, I have just been loving blush. I'm gonna apply that right on top of my contour. I'm taking that on my Royal & Lang Nickel powder brush. I'm gonna take my big stippling brush from Royal & Lang Nickel. I'm just gonna dust everything off, dust all the bake off, but I'm also gonna blend everything in. Before we move into the eyes, I'm just gonna quickly set my face with the CoverGirl Look Lockup. Seriously guys, this is great. Gosh, it's in my eye. I think it's in my eye. It's in my eye. See what happens when you want to fuck around and spray too much? Okay, for eyes, I'm actually going to be taking the Vitalist Healthy Glow Highlighter Illuminator from CoverGirl. This is supposed to be a liquid highlighter, but I'm actually going to be using it as an eyeshadow today. I'm just going to take some on my finger and apply that right all over my lid. I literally think these little highlighters are so good for bronzy, glowy looks, especially during the summertime. I'm just going to apply that all over the lid, like I said. Nothing too crazy because we are going to go in with the brown and blend all of it in. Now I'm going to be taking this guy right here from the Total Face Palette from e.l.f. that I literally was just using. I'm going to take that on my favorite brush of all time, my Sigma E25. And I'm literally just going to blend out the harsh lines of that liquid highlighter. Literally. This look is so easy, so simple, but yet so pretty. Like, I love it. As you guys can see, I'm mainly just going back and forth in the crease. I am going to work a little bit on the outer corner, just a little bit, but not too much. My main focus right now is just the crease. And that is literally it, you guys. And then for lower lashes, I'm going to take the same color I was just blending in my crease. I'm just going to put that right on my lower lash line. If I can find my brush. Okay, I'm gonna do my mascara and lashes off camera. I'm literally gonna be using the same stuff. I use the CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara as well as the Allure number 26? Number 20? I forget. Lashes, but seriously, it's the same things I've been using. All right, so lashes are on. I might have to fix this one. I don't know yet. We will see though. We will definitely see. Anyways, now I'm gonna be taking the Vitalist Healthy Glow highlighter illuminator. The one I used on my eyes is number 5. This one is number 3. I'm gonna take a little bit on my ring finger. I'm gonna take that on the highest points of my face. I'm gonna use this as a base for my powdered highlight, I guess you could say. Ooh, hold on. Wow, she's strong. Take that right on my cupid girl right there. She's cute. I like this one. I'm actually gonna blend it out a little bit with a beauty sponge. I'm gonna spritz my face with the Lip Lockup. I'm gonna go in with the same e.l.f. palette that I used the blush in. I'm gonna take the top highlight, and on my Morphe M501 this time instead of my M510. I'm gonna blend everything out. I'm gonna take the same highlight and apply that as my brow bone highlight as well as my inner corner highlight. Put that right up in there. Actually a really pretty highlight. I'm gonna take a regular blending brush really quickly. Blend that out, just type it. For lips, I'm gonna line them with my Italia lip liner in chocolate. For lippy, this is the CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte. This one is in the shade Paradise Lost. All right, one more time with the Lip Lockup. Okay guys, and that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed how quick it is, I want to say how simple it is just because we're not doing a lot, you know what I mean? That's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.